Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the new TikTok update. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to walk you through two different steps you can do to get the latest features on TikTok, the latest filters, all the different kinds of preferences and features that come out new on TikTok. So the very first thing that we will do is we'll open up the App Store or Google Play Store if you're on Android. And then once we're on here, we'll tap the search button at the very bottom right here, and we'll just search for TikTok. So once you search for TikTok, it will show a little update button right next to it if there is an update available to TikTok. Otherwise, it will just show the open button, and you can see here, it just shows open because there's no current update on TikTok. So that's the first way. However, sometimes this doesn't work great and there are kind of bugs and you just want to force an update. To do that, we can also hop out of here and then go to our settings here. And then we'll scroll down until we get to general. And then midway down, you can see iPhone storage. We'll tap on that. We'll wait till this loads up all of the apps that we have on our iPhone here. And you can see there is TikTok. We can offload and reinstall this app. And what this does is it updates to the latest fresh version of TikTok and updates all those core files and gives you all the latest features of the TikTok updates. But it doesn't remove your DMs, your drafts, anything like that. So you can keep all those. And then you can go back into TikTok and it'll have the latest version of the app. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.